I think I uploaded this after Eagle Over the Horizon. I did, which is really weird to think. No, I definitely uploaded some stuff in between, but like, in terms of solo releases, these are back to back. And now that I think about it, I made this level right after my Terraria phase, so kind of a perfect transition. Kinda sad this didn't end up as a 0 pointer, but it's whatever. At least this is below Oceanside, which is kind of a win. Yeah, this level definitely has a lot of opportunity for Grace, which is good. Because it gives inexperienced players something to do, and experienced players. The level for all ages, all skill ranges. Veil actually helped a fair amount in the creation of this level. All they did was give, like, reassurance, but it was definitely much needed assurance, because this level was very different. But it did come out very well, and I'm very proud of it. This part might be a little bit lackluster, but I think it's the best I could do. But I love this transition. And I love how this ending is barely possible in DK. Player and bullets. Oh, I think that's a completion. Nice.